Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can disable WP JSON API without using any plugins. So basically, here the site's username is exposed. So we will make this page inaccessible. Let's get started. For more WordPress content, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. If you own a WordPress website, open your domain and go to /wp-json/wp/v2/users and press enter. If you are seeing this, means your username is exposed. For instance, here is our username and author name. You can also check with v1 or only /wp-json. Anyway, we will disable this as this can be a security risk. To do that, let me log in to the WP dashboard, WP-admin, and enter the credentials. Here is the exposed username, and write the password. So we are in the WP dashboard. To disable JSON API, we need to add a simple code to the themes function. Go to Appearance and Theme File Editor. Go to functions.php. Scroll down. So we need to add some code here. Here is the code, which will be provided. Copy this. And paste it here. Update file. So the file has been updated. Now let me refresh this. So now this shows a 404 error, even if I open it in incognito mode. It is not accessible. So please check it on your website and disable it. Thank you very much.